In this video, you're going to be learning about a multiplication strategy, the lattice method. The lattice method uses a couple of different strategies that you've used for the box method, and we're going to take a look at that closer. So to start with, we're going to be doing 2 by 2 multiplication. So you'll need a box, and let's get ourselves our factors. 35 times 17. So you're going to look at the digits of your number and you're going to label your box. So there's 35, and I'm going to label my box 35, just like you would for the box method. I'm going to do the same down the side, 17. I'm going to divide my box according to my digit. So however many digits, that's how many divides you'll have in your box. Then I'm going to add my diagonal lines inside the box and a little bit outside. Make sure you go from one corner of the box if you are duplicating your lattice method grid, and that will keep your numbers in line. So your first step is to multiply 5 times 1, and you always want to go into an L-shaped pattern. So 5 times 1 is 5. You're going to put your 10s, which you don't have any, in the top box and your 1s on the bottom. Then you'll multiply 5 times 7. You have 35. Put your 10s in the top box and your 1s in the bottom. Using that same L shape, you're going to multiply 3 times 1. And you see I'm writing the number sentences over on the side. You do not have to do this for the lattice method. I'm just showing you a way to kind of keep track of your problems as you go. Okay. Again, we're going to multiply 3 times 7, completing that same pattern, and you'll have 21. 10s up top, 1s at the bottom. Then from this point on, you're going to be adding at that diagonal. So here we're just going to go down and add your 5, nothing to add there. 1 plus 3 plus 5, that's 8 and 9, so I put my 9 outside of the box. 0 plus 3 plus 2 is 5. Adding all of those together to get my sum. And then whatever numbers are on top of the grid. And the numbers outside of your box are your product for this particular problem, 35 times 17. It equals 595. Okay. And as I was saying earlier, we're going to go to a new slide, but will it work for a 4-digit by 1-digit number? And it will. You'll just need to create your grid according to how many digits you have. So in that case, I had a number that was in the thousands place, so I have a box that is divided into 4. So again, I'm just going to transfer my problem onto this new page. So 1587 times 2. Same method, I'm going to add those numbers, those digits on top of the box and the side. 15, please forgive the numbers being off the screen. That is indeed a 7. And then divide your boxes as you did on the other side. Again, going from one corner to the other corner. Then you're going to multiply 7 times 2. And that's 14. 10's up top, 1's on the bottom. 8 times 2 is my next set of factors to find a product, and that is 16. 5 times 2. And again, you don't have to make your list over here. You can do it all in your grid. I'm just tracking are thinking. 1 times 2. No 10s, we do have some 1s. And then you're just going to add diagonally, starting over at the 4. 6 plus 1 is 7. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Every 3 places you need a comma. So your product is 3,174, and that is how the lattice method works. Hope it was helpful. Give it a try. Good luck.